market tayo. Papunta tayo bukas. Tingnan lang natin. So guys, this is 2,000 rounds. Ito ang ating 200 pieces of Quippies from Laguna. Kuha tayo natin. So this is gonna be 3 inches. So this is mas malakas siya sa konde or duke. So, na-try ko sa para siyang kuito na. Meron din tayo syempre guys, Forge of Elements. Forge of the Elements. So, na-try ko na siya way back 2020.
Serious yung mo. Ano yan mga yan? British lahat yan? Pati yan? Sige.
And also, meron din tayong dragons. Lucky dragons. Actually, I received a freebie from our generous sponsor. So, actually dalawa siya nito. Dancing dragon. So, parang lucky dragon din siya. Just to let you know, ang kaibahan, lucky dragon has 6 pieces sa isang box. And then for dancing dragon, 2 pieces sa isang box. We also have our yearly favorite, the Fortune Fountain. So this is a crackling fountain guys, from Dragon. So napakasulit itong effects nito. Sobrang sulit, hindi ka manghihinaya. Yun. So itabi natin siya dyan. So, we also have our Dragon's Magic Wands. So, same lang siya. Table lang ng packaging kasi ito yung mas latest na packaging nila. And ito yung old packaging ng Dragon's Magic Wands. So, meron tayong tassel. Pangalawang try ko na to. Way back 2022 pa ako huling nakatry nito. So ito yung brocade with crackling. And also, we have our triple shooter, Golden Crown Brocade. This one has a red stars. This is a customized edition by Dragon Pirates. Incorporated. And then, this is War of the Gods from Dragon Pirates also. This is a new products from Dragon Pirates, by the way. And then lastly, we have our Cosmic Odyssey. Ito siya guys. 96 shots from Dragon Fireworks. This is also a new products. So, dalawa siya actually. Isa nandun sa refrigerator. And medyo mabigat siya i-arrange. So, ayun guys. Once again, I am Fire Perspectives. And this is my New Year 2026 countdown celebration fireworks display. Wish you guys a happy New Year. God bless. Bye bye.